Meet your new favorite salad spinner. This sleek, efficient, and versatile tool is about to become a must-have in your kitchen, especially if you like to host. Drying your greens has never been easier. With just one hand, you can push the soft, non-slip pump to spin your lettuce, herbs, or other greens to perfection. Say goodbye to soggy salads. And the spinning basket doubles as a colander, making it simple to rinse your greens right before drying. It's a two-in-one feature that saves you time and reduces cleanup. And when you're done spinning, a simple press of the patented brake system stops the basket instantly, making it safe and easy to unload your greens. This durable glass bowl isn't just for spinning. It's elegant enough to go straight to the table for serving and sturdy enough for storage. For compact storage, just slide the lock to flatten the pump. And cleaning? It's a breeze. And every part of the spinner is dishwasher safe. Now that's my kind of gadget. Customers love how the spinner keeps their greens fresh longer thanks to the efficient spin speed and drying power. And so if you're looking for a salad spinner that's durable, easy to use, and seamlessly blends functionality with style, this glass salad spinner is a game changer. It's more than just a kitchen tool. It's an upgrade.